Thank you for joining this video. I am Wasim Memon, business and legal consultant. Today, we will explore 10 important legal considerations that every professional should evaluate before accepting a job offer. Whether you're entering the workforce for the first time or transitioning to a new role, understanding these legal aspects is essential for protecting your rights and building a sustainable career. 1. Written employment contract. Before joining, ensure there is a written employment contract that clearly outlines your job title, responsibilities, salary, working hours, and termination conditions. Example, a verbal agreement is not enough. If there is a dispute, only written terms are legally binding in most jurisdictions. 2. Minimum wage and legal benefits. Check whether the salary offered meets the legal minimum wage in that country or region. Confirm the availability of mandatory benefits like health insurance, paid leave, pension schemes, or Social Security. In the EU, US, Canada, and many Asian countries, benefits are protected under labor laws. In countries like Pakistan or India, EOBI, gratuity, or provident funds may apply. 3. Working hours and overtime rules. Understand the standard working hours and how overtime is calculated and compensated. Example, in the EU, working more than 48 hours a week generally requires consent and should be compensated. For job role clarity, make sure the job description is clearly defined in the contract and aligns with the work you expected to perform. Example, if you're hired as an administrative assistant, you shouldn't be expected to manage accounting unless agreed upon. 5. Career growth and training opportunities. Check if the company offers career development, mentorship programs, or training sessions that can help you grow professionally. Legal insight. Some countries mandate skill development opportunities, especially for junior staff. 6. Workplace environment and safety. Evaluate whether the company complies with health and safety regulations and whether there are anti-discrimination and anti-harassment policies in place. Example, in the US and UK, employers are legally required to provide a harassment-free environment. 7. Resignation and termination terms. Understand the procedures and notice periods for resignation or termination. Check for severance pay or compensation policies in case of sudden dismissal. Example, a 2-week notice is standard in many countries, while others may require 30 days. 8. Confidentiality and non-compete clauses. Review any clauses related to confidentiality, data protection, and non-compete agreements that might affect your future employment. Warning: some non-compete clauses may prevent you from working in similar industries for months or even years. 9. Legal deductions and tax obligations. Ensure that deductions made from your salary, such as income tax or social contributions, are lawful and documented. Always request a salary slip, pay stub to track deductions. 10. Access to legal support and complaint mechanisms. Familiarize yourself with the company's internal grievance policies and your right to approach labor courts, human rights commissions, or ombudsman offices if you face injustice. In many countries, provide free or low-cost legal aid for employees. Accepting a job is more than just receiving a paycheck. It's a legal agreement that affects your livelihood, your rights, and your future. By being aware of these 10 global legal points, you empower yourself to make informed, secure, and fair career decisions. Remember, never rush into employment without reading the fine print. Knowledge is your first defense.
Thank you.